Welcome back to Dawson Design Production Company. Today we are unboxing a new-ish Apple product. I teased this in my last video, said that I was buying the new version of this because this version got kind of gross. So I'm curious what they have done to kind of upgrade it. So we have, this is weird packaging for Apple. But whatever, I'll go with it. We've got natural Italian leather. So, color difference, you can kind of see, they kind of made it a bit darker. We'll see how I like this color. Wow, okay. It's not as visible, the Apple logo. I wish they still made the brown, like, I would get the brown if they still did that, but here's the card that comes in it. And there's no stickers, just a manual, medical device interference. Yep, because you could kill yourself with it if you have a pacemaker. Oh, that's a cool little plastic thing. I thought they didn't wrap stuff in plastic anymore. So yeah, I'm going to store this all nicely in the box. This is going up behind me, along with this guy. I'm curious to set this up, so let's get into the setup. Yeah, it brings up the setup menu, kind of like AirPods. Continue, add to Find My, continue, okay, view in Find My. It's got like a little shape of a wallet. It's like the full icon of the wallet, full graphic. Oh, it doesn't show up in items, it shows up in devices. So rather than being here in items, where we have Best Buy returned AirTag, which is now in Shepherdsville, Kentucky, 19 minutes ago. And the AirTag that I returned when I first ordered them, I returned it to Apple, and it is currently in Carlisle, Pennsylvania, and hasn't moved. That's about all I have for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.